Apex Legends is gearing up for an exciting 2025 with new seasons, significant changes, and thrilling updates. Despite a challenging 2024 filled with controversies and competition, the popular Battle Royale game managed well to maintain its momentum. Fans can look forward to fresh content, innovative features, and improvements that promise to enhance the gaming experience. As we step into 2025, Apex Legends is set to deliver more action-packed adventures and keep players engaged with its fast-paced gameplay and unique characters. The next season of Apex Legends will start on February 11, 2025. Respawn, the game's developer, has been secretive about the details, which is typical for recent seasons. With over a month to go, fans can expect more information closer to the launch date. Respawn explained in a blog post on how matchmaking currently works and hinted at upcoming challenges. These changes aim to address issues like low population queues and unbalanced lobbies. While the exact details are unclear, some of these changes might be tested in 2025. Moreover, one of the biggest rumors in 2024 was the possibility of a paid subscription for Apex Legends. If implemented, the subscription could be similar to Fortnite Crew, offering a premium battle pass, extra currency, and cosmetic rewards.